This gift from Philips to the culinary world certainly matches the XXL name tag. It comes with a hefty footprint of 12 by 17 by 12 inches, making it big enough to tackle large food without crowding. Another impressive attribute of the Philips Twin TurboStar XXL Airfryer is the ability to combine size with cooking speed. It's decked out with a powerful 1,725 watt heating system, which heats instantly. With the preheating requirement out of the way, you're able to start cooking immediately, which significantly reduces the cooking time. The temperature dial is simple and straightforward. Depending on what you're cooking, you can choose from a multiple of preset cooking programs, including defrost, steak, chicken, fish, and cake. And of course, there's a large LCD screen display for cooking times and temperatures, as well as a heating up light that glows once the fryer has reached the maximum cooking temperature for a more hands-off experience. Most parts are removable and dishwasher safe, making it easier to clean. Additionally, the basket has a removable metallic mesh, which comes in handy when disposing of food spills lodged in the basket area. It's clear that Philips spent time researching how to give its users a wholesome experience. True to that, this appliance comes with a complimentary 30 recipe book complete with color photos. And by downloading the app, you can expand your recipe catalog by accessing over 200 more unique recipes. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful air fryer that can cook family-sized meals, the Philips Twin TurboStar XXL Airfryer ticks off all the boxes. It's fast, efficient, and a snap to clean up.